Hello everybody, this is Dr. Ray from Biney Greens, and today we're going to make some Irish moss, aka sea moss. Now the first thing you want to do is grab your sea moss, wash it thoroughly. Now this is purple, this is green, so wash it thoroughly and let it soak for 20 minutes. Now I'm not going to do the 20 minutes thing because I've already done some, so I want to 20 minutes is more than enough. You get it like that. See that? 20 minutes is enough. So what you do, because you're not going to use this, you discard this water. Look at that beautiful sea moss. Discard it, discard it, discard it. Now depending on the blender that you're using, it may be advisable for you to cut these up so you don't want to mess up the blender. But I don't need to, it's all good. Then you blend. What you see is what you get, I got no mask on. What I do, I do it, I'll take your mask off. Sonic boom when I open up a blast door. I'm the truth that they thought they could get rid of. I embody everybody that they killed off. Before man and woman when we were just human. Divinity from within was the religion. To know what came before was the only intention. And once it's drained, to reach ascension, you have to question everything you thought you knew, there's no exception. We cannot exist without human connection. It's the closest we get to other dimensions. There's no rush, seconds to minutes.